Welcome to Spoken Hindi course by G Master of Manapare. By this, we conclude our Spoken Hindi course of aiohanar channel. One thing we want to tell you that merely watching our channel is not enough. You must practice it regularly. Regular practice will give you an interest to speak and learn more and more Hindi words and sentences. There is a proverb in Tamil that practice of hand helps one to draw beautiful pictures. In the same way, speaking a language perfectly, regularly, with interest, one can become an expert of the language. We have selected the words and sentences in this channel with the day-to-day life. Once again, we request you to watch Hindi movies, Hindi news and Hindi programs which will help you to increase your knowledge in spoken Hindi, and it will benefit the non-Hindi speaking people to speak Hindi easily. Therefore, practice it and speak Hindi with your family members, with your friends and whoever you contact. If you speak in Hindi, it will be more helpful to you. Please don't feel shy that you may commit any mistake. Don't bother about the mistakes. In the beginning, you may feel shy or you may feel that you may not be fluent in Hindi. Daily and regular practice will definitely make you a good speaker in Hindi. Thank you very much for attending our channels and following the rules and regulations of spoken Hindi given by us. If you have some clarifications, you are welcome to report it in the comments.